Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of First 20 of 2020. Guys, today's video is really very special because I'll be telling you how to make your face pack work 100% or how to make your face pack perform 100% on your skin and how to decide whether the particular face pack is suitable for your skin type or whether it is not suitable for your skin type. So why to waste the time, and let's get started with the video. First step before applying any face pack is cleansing your face. Cleansing your face is really very important. By cleansing, I mean that you should not have any makeup on your face. You should clean your face really very nicely. Guys, now I'll give you two options in this. Firstly, if you have heavy makeup, then make sure that first you will be using some oil-based cleanser and then some regular face wash, and you cleanse your face really very nicely. If you have some basic makeup, then you can just use micellar water and then your regular face wash to clean your face, so that you will prep your face for the next step. Now coming to the second step. Second step is opening your pores, and to open your pores I'll give you three different choices. First thing is you can shave your face, second thing is you can scrub your face, and third thing is you can steam your face. Now I'll just give you three different situations where you can use these methods. Firstly, shaving your face. I don't think so that anybody can shave your face daily, and it's not good to shave your face daily. You can shave your face once a week. After shaving directly, you can apply the face pack. Now the second thing is steaming. Sometimes it just happens that you want to apply some face pack just for hydration or just for some acne. At that time, you need not scrub your face, or sometimes it just happens that the prior day itself you have scrubbed your face and next day you can't scrub your face, but still you want to apply some face pack. At that time you can steam your face. Steam your face accordingly, guys. If you have oily skin, then steam for 3 to 4 minutes. If you are normal skin, steam for 2 to 3 minutes. If you have dry skin, don't steam more than 2 minutes. Just steam so that you can open up your pores, and then directly you can just wash, you can just pat dry your face and you can apply the face pack. And third option is scrubbing your face. By scrubbing, you just remove all the dead skin. You can remove the whiteheads, you can remove the blackheads. It's really very good, and it's really an important step before applying any face pack. You can scrub your face twice a week, no issue at all. So opening your pores before applying face pack is really very important. Okay, so now the last step is about applying the face pack. Guys, make sure you apply the face pack which is suitable for your skin type. And in case you don't know which face pack is suitable for your skin type and you have just purchased a face pack and you want to try it out once, then no issue, guys. You can just go for a patch test before applying for the whole face. And guys, the technique for applying the face pack is that never apply face pack in the downward direction. The reason behind this is, guys, once you apply the face pack in the downward direction, after it dries, it's just that there are 100% chances of getting wrinkles and skin sagging, because the direction which you apply the face pack, that is the direction in which the skin gets tightened. That is the reason you should always apply face pack either in the sideways direction or in the upper direction. Never apply the face pack in the downward direction. And one more thing, guys, make sure that you do not dry out your face pack 100%. You just dry out 90 to 95% and then go to wash your face pack. And the third and most important thing is that whenever you have applied the face pack and the pack is almost 50% dry, never talk to anybody or never make any facial expressions, because this will create more and more wrinkles, which is not good to your face. So just be calm and you can just rest for 15 to 20 minutes or whatever time is required to dry the face pack, and then you can go for washing the face pack. Now the last and most important step in the face pack is removing the face pack, guys. Remember one thing, guys, never ever remove the face pack by rubbing it very hardly or just like ripping it off. No, guys, face pack always has to be removed very cleanly and calmly. If you are comfortable to wash your face in the sink, you can go with it. If not, then either use any cotton cloth or microfiber cloth. I have microfiber cloth, so I usually use with microfiber cloth. You can just take a jug of water, dip the microfiber cloth in it and start rubbing it on your face. Don't rub hardly, guys. Let the microfiber cloth do its work. You should not rub or you should not put any pressure. Just go on rubbing it all over your face, and within a span of 2 to 3 minutes you will be getting rid of all the face pack, and now you're done, guys. Once you're done with the face pack, once you have removed the face pack, just let it dry for 2 to 3 minutes, or else you can pat dry with some normal cotton towel. And depending on the condition of your face, you can just use either toner or moisturizer. It's up to you, guys. If you feel that your face is drying out, then you can just use moisturizer. If you feel that no, your skin is absolutely fine, then just spray some toner and a lip balm and you're good to go, guys. These are the steps which have to be followed while using the face pack. Like you can say that pre-face pack steps and post-face pack steps, so that you will understand whether the particular face pack is suitable for you or no. Many of the times it just happens that we have not cleansed our face nicely, or we have not opened our pores nicely, or we have not we have not removed the face pack nicely, and due to it we'll be getting some drastic changes in your skin, and we just feel that the face pack is not working for us, guys. It's nothing such, guys. If the face pack is meant for your skin type, they will mention it like it's for oily skin, it's for dry skin, then it has to work for you. Just follow all these steps nicely and see that your face pack will do wonders for your skin. So guys, follow all these steps nicely and make sure that your face pack performs 100% on you. If after following all these steps also, if the face pack is not working for you, then surely the face pack is not suitable for your skin type and you can switch on to some other face pack. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope you have liked the video. If so, then do like my video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I'll upload a new video, you will be getting notified. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.